Hey, what is up, guys? So welcome to a new video on the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about a tool that is used in a lot of practices, and for those that use it every day, they can skip the video. For those that don't know, a thread cutter, please watch this video to the end because it is a very interesting tool and it comes quite handy, especially when you need it. The first part of the video is a technical part with some details of how to use it and some calculations and some tables that you need to use it. That is what we are going to discuss first, and in the second part we will show how to use it in practice. So, and then at the end of the video I will show you a link to another very handy tool that you could need when you are working on cars or other tools. So keep watching, stay tuned. So here we are, this is the tool, and here we have a screw. We want this screw to fit in a hole. How do we do that? First of all, you have to know the diameter of the hole that you have to drill. That you can find on those tables that go along with the tool. This is a screw with a thread that you would like to discover what it is, and then we have this thing to see whatever it is the thread is. Then you can try to make it fit everywhere until you find the right one. And as you see, the right one is this one, and it says 0.7. When we look it up at the table, at the data here, 0.7 millimeters screw thread is an M4. So the M4, you will have to drill a hole of 3.3 millimeters, says the table here. So, and that has to be so as exact as possible. Otherwise you are screwed with your screws. So you drill a hole of 3.3 millimeters. Then you use the thread cutter and you take the tool, you put it inside the tool, fix it right there, and then you can turn it around slowly and back and slowly and back and slowly and back, but always use some oil, never do it dry. So in short, these are the tools that you need. This is for cutting a thread in a hole, but you can also this is for in the hole, but you can also make a thread on an iron pin to make a screw, and that's on the outside that you have to cut the thread, and then you use these tools here. But in the next videos moments we will show you how to practice this tool here and how handy it can be. So stay tuned for that. Here my son-in-law already drilled 4 holes into the metal, and now he's cutting the thread in those holes. Dat je het maar 1 keer moet doen. Before to cut, we did some oil on the cutter. It is always best to do that. Never use it dry. Ja, dat zal wel goed zijn. Dat voelt je.
Ja, dat is direct los.
Dan snijdt hem niet meer. Oké, dat is al genoeg dat je hem al hout hebt. Now it was time to screw those plates with the 4 screws on the pole. Je kunt er precies niet goed tegen dat je gefilmd wordt.
Dan wordt het wel handig.
Dat gaat gelijk boter, hè? Dan moet er al een vieze in zijn om dat eruit te trekken.
Dat moet toch ook spannend een beetje.
Zit ergens tussen. Wacht, die moet je eerst bijdraaien hier. En die ook. Ah, zo dat het misschien niet. Dat de gaten niet juist staan, moet je zeggen. Maar dat komt wel. Allemaal gelijk mee en draaien. Weet je, die zit al wat dieper.
De laatste is precies toch ook niet 100% het midden.
Dat kan. Mag spannen, hè, dat doet niks. Dan duwt hij hem ook heel veel tegen de draad aan. Die staat nog wat open, ja. Voilà, Franske hebt. Vast is goed. Je moet een draad niet kapot draaien. Vast is genoeg. Wow. Picobello.
Ja, die laatste net.
And here is the final result. As you can see, there are a lot of things you can do yourself, if only you have the right tools. So this is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, watch us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on all the social media. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.